Hey guys, this is my clay toilet flushing. That was cool flush. Fill up some more. Love the rim jet sound too. Ah, sounds funny. I love the siphon jet action too. Cool. And the reason why I'm not flushing toilet paper down this is because it's connected to a sink drain, and I don't want stuff to go down it. So it's just gonna be water. That's it. Sorry. That was good. That was gold. Alright, but I can do the soap test though. I mean, soap won't hurt anything. And that was a success. Good job. Took it all down. That was a success. Alright, last flush. Powerful flush. Fill up the line first. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video. I'd like to give this 10 likes in this video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.